too.
Okay, all right, I have a word on the board. Does anybody know what that word is?
Yeah,
What is it?
synonym.
Synonym. What is a synonym? What is a synonym?
Positive.
Okay,
Many people?
no,
Yeah.
no, not many people. Do you know what it is? Synonym.
Positive and negative?
No, close, positive. It's,
Together?
it's words that mean the same.
Common and proper.
Word, I like that you raise your hand. Words that mean the same. So if I said big, if I said the word big,
Small.
no, that's opposite. If I said the word big, I've had some words that mean the same. So if I said big, what would you say? Words that mean the same, big,
Large.
large. Good, what else?
Small.
Words that mean the same. Big, large,
Largest. No.
largest. How about huge?
Huge.
Gigantic.
Mm.
Okay, bigger. Okay. If I say small, what's another word for small?
Small.
Little. Good. What would be another word for little?
Smaller.
Thin? Yes. Very good. What else?
Skinny. No.
Raise your hand. Raise your hand.
Hungry.
Okay.
Hungry is not a synonym.
It's a nut.
Synonym. You have been talking about dictionary, right?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, synonyms can be found in another type of dictionary. It's called a thesaurus. Now, a dictionary helps you with finding definitions, finding out what words mean, and that helps us with writing. A synonym helps us with writing because it gives us more words and helps us with our writing. And I know you've been doing a lot of writing in this class. Miss Klein is having you write. You've been doing your reports. You've been writing in your English classes. You've been writing in your science classes and your social studies things. Because I've watched you write a lot. And you want to come up with more words to help you write.
Yes, ma'am.
So more words instead of just saying the yellow dog or the big state. Let's find new words to make our sentences better. Synonyms help with that. For example, let's look at this story as I fall on the floor. And then we're going to look at, let's see if I can source and use, all right, this story. All right, Saturday morning I felt blank because I was starting my first day of work at a cashier. How would you feel when you start your first day at work?
Happy.
Happy. All right, so we could write happy.
Something is different.
Okay, but what else could you feel? What would be a synonym for happy?
Sad.
Joy.
Joy. I felt joy. What else? Raise your hand. I like that you raised your hand. Thank you. I felt what?
Good? No.
I felt good. Yes. Yes, good. Or,
Something that's different to what do you do any day.
what would be another word for good or joy or happy?
Nice.
I felt nice.
Fun.
Better?
Better, okay. I got dressed in the new outfit my mother bought me for work
I feel excited.
and searched, excited, yes. Closet for a pair of shoes that were blank for standing on my feet all day. That were, what would be another name for shoes that were, what, for working? I want a good, I use the word good. I want a good pair of shoes for standing all day. So what would be another word for good?
Nice.
New.
Nice?
Yeah.
New? Would I want to wear a new pair of shoes to work all
Fine.
day?
Fine.
Fine.
No.
You'll be fine.
How about comfortable?
Over the boy.
Perfect.
Comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay. I headed downstairs to eat breakfast with my little sister had prepared for me. The eggs tasted blank, but I ate them anyway because I wanted her to feel blank. So how might the eggs taste if my sister made them?
Good, bad, good, bad.
Let's use the word bad. What would be a synonym for bad?
Bad, bad.
Sad.
No.
Ugly?
The eggs tasted bad.
Nasty.
Nasty.
Oh, I
Oh,
get it.
very good
Yeah.
synonym, Ahmed. Nasty. Or what else?
Terrible.
Terrible. That's an awesome synonym. What else?
Mm,
Yes, happy.
That's what's called an antonym. All right, we'll do one more. I grabbed my jacket and dashed out the door and kissed my mother goodbye. Have a blank day, my mother called to me as I headed down the porch stairs. So what kind of day would she wish me?
Bad day.
I'm going to my first job, so she would wish me have a
Happy.
happy day,
Good day.
good day,
Bye.
what?
Nice day.
Nice day.
Have a food day.
Okay, so these are synonyms, and we changed the sentences, right?
Yeah.
And we added more things. So one of the reasons I wanted you in groups is because I want you to come up with synonyms for an object. So, each group is going to have an object.
Hello?
Flower.
Yeah.
What is this?
Spoon?
It could be a spoon. It's actually a back scratch, yes.
Yeah.
It's a back scratcher, or this is called a shoehorn,
Oh, for instance.
to put your shoe on,
Yeah.
okay? So it's a shoehorn and a back scratch. So, I want you to see how many different synonyms or descriptive words for your object. Now you can use your group, your paper for your group and write them down. How many different words, so choose one person in your group to write them down. How many different words to describe your object? Okay? Different words, different synonyms to describe your object. So what is it? It's a dragon. And then how many words to describe it? Okay? So what would be one word to describe this? So it has blue. Is it hard or soft? Soft. So blue, soft. Is it big or small?
Small.
Okay, so blue, soft, small. Okay? So other words to describe. Okay? So what is this? It's a ball,
Circle.
circle. What color? What did it use? What would you say? C-I-R-C-L-E. What would you say these are?
Circle.
Or you could say bumps. So you can say bumpy, B-U-M, B-M-P-Y. Bumpy. It's big. Okay. Is it heavy or is it light? Okay. Is it hard or is it soft? What do you think? How do you do? Light, L-I-G-H-T.
No, that's up.
Yeah, that's up. Do you know what kind of ball that is? What game you used to play with?
Yeah, maybe.
It's actually softball. Instead of baseball, you play softball.
So, arrows. Bump.
Does it bounce?
It's Forsyth, right?
Most size game, L-A,
What?
leaves.
L-I-C. Using your descriptive words. What do you have about your back scratch?
It's a jump.
Okay, is it soft or hard?
Soft.
Two.
Can you break it?
No.
I mean, if you really try. Right, the soft, this is soft, so this is hard. H-A-R-D. Hard. Okay,
I threw.
good. What can you do with this? Is it a tool? It's a tool for, put your shoes on. Yeah, so it's a tool. Like a toothbrush is a tool, a hairbrush is a tool, a hammer is a tool. So this is a tool. T-O-O-L. So, what else? Anything? Light. L-I-G-H-G-A-T. So now, can you write a sentence describing this? One. Everybody contribute. What do you have? Can you tell me about the moment? Right, one sentence. One sentence. Right.
Back scratcher.
Can you write a sentence about the rose? So it's a rose.
It's a sentence. You say that.
It's a rose. Can you write a sentence about the rose?
The bulb is yellow.
A red rose.
We can play
I don't know
that.
Is it a real rose or is it a silk rose?
Bumpy and bump.
Is it a real rose or is it a silk rose?
Real roses.
It is not.
It's not a real rose.
I don't know anything about flower.
You don't know anything about flowers? What is a flower?
It's about
This is not a real flower.
Right, it is a silk flower, it's not real. So it
Hey,
is a
Christian, what's the synonym for not
fake
real?
flower?
Oh,
Fake.
yeah.
I got it.
So how do you spell fake?
Thank you. F.
A. What's cut?
Okay.
Okay. And when you have a long A, then you have a silent E. So F-A-K-E. Fake. Can you write a sentence about the flower? About the rose?
You got it. You can do it.
So my dragon is a hat.
Yes.
Okay, who wants to share their sentence? Do I have a group who wants to share their sentence? Ahmed, do you have your sentence? Okay, couple more minutes. One sentence. One sentence about your object. And then there'll be time for lunch. So one sentence about your object. Okay, share, tell me your sentence.
My backsplash is blue. It's large and half can.
Awesome, great job.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. So they have a back scratch that is
Blue.
blue,
Yes.
so that's, it's large,
And
Yeah.
half can.
and it has a hand on the end.
Yeah.
Yes, so that's describing, it's using some synonyms.
Yeah.
Synonyms are also like adjectives, so they give you more descriptions in your, because you could have said, my back scratch is big. But that doesn't tell you everything. It's large, it's blue, it has a hand, so you know
It has a
exactly
face.
which one. Yes,
It's not the face.
good job, good job. All right, Ahmed, tell me about yours.
Hey,
It's about
right.
is big and yellow.
Hey,
it's
you
soft.
too.
Ahmed's sharing too. Go ahead, come on.
Isabel is big and yellow. It is soft, bold, bumpy, and bounce.
Good. And you could have said, my ball is yellow. But this ball is more than yellow, right? My ball is yellow, it's bumpy, it's used to play softball. It bounces,
Oh, yeah.
okay? So it's more than just a yellow ball, okay? All right, what did you get about the dragon?
The dragon is small and blue.
Okay, and she could have just said, dragon is blue. But it's a small dragon, it's a blue dragon. She could have also said it's a soft dragon,
It's a game.
okay? Can you tell me about the rose? Last thing, tell me about the rose.
You can say, the rose is very ugly.
If you don't like roses, you could say the rose is very ugly.
It smells very bad.
Okay. The girls may not say so.
And it's not good. Oh, that's all I got.
Okay.
The color is
If that's what you'd like to say. Well, thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for letting me teach about, what is our topic?
Synonyms.
Okay, and synonyms are what?
describe.
They describe, and they give us other words to use in our sentences.
Same.
Change words, yes, thank you.